This is Lee Sterling of ParamountSports.com, and it's getting down to the nitty-gritty as we've got now 3 weeks left of the NFL season. We now know which teams are in the college football playoffs. So you got 44 bowl games, NFL playoffs, and Super Bowl. How can you join a service that wins consistently and has won, it seems like almost every year, big in the college football bowls? In fact, 3 of the last 5 years hit at least 2/3 of our games. That's like going 2-1 almost every single day in the bowls. You're going to win a lot of money when you do that. So if you go to ParamountSports.com, the normal price, $497 from now through the Super Bowl, will get you 3 weeks of NFL action, still 3 weeks left, the regular season, 44 bowl games, NFL playoffs, and Super Bowl. Use coupon code SAVE100, just $397 for our executive phone service where we rate the games from 10 to 50 units. So don't try to handicap these bowl games. These bowl games are tricky. A lot of times, a couple hours beforehand or when the game starts, you hear about suspensions. We can usually find out about who's suspended, who didn't get the grades, who's hitting the transfer portal. You know, what's going on? Is a coach going to be fired after the game? You know, what a team's motivation is. We do all the work for you, and we win for you. $397 for our end of the year special through the Super Bowl. Just go to Paramount Sports right now, or you can always order it by calling 800-400-9741, and you can start winning today.